I have a hankering for a chocolate chip cookie, but not just any chocolate chip cookie. I want one with some ooey gooey chocolate hazelnut spread inside. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with Choc Zero, and I'm going to show you how to make a keto chocolate chip cookie that is filled with their latest hazelnut spread. This is a chocolate hazelnut spread that Choc Zero came out with, and it's beyond delicious, and I'm excited to add this to my cookie. Let's get started. Now this cookie is a single serve chocolate chip cookie, so it's just right for one person. So in a small bowl, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of sweetener of your choice. I'm gonna be using monk fruit, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter that's softened to room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. We're also going to be adding in Choc Zero's chocolate baking chips. I love their baking chips too because they're sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. So 1 tablespoon of chocolate chip baking chips going in here. You want to mix this together until it's combined, and then I'm going to separate it into 2 balls and flatten them out into 2 separate cookies. Next comes our sugar-free chocolate hazelnut spread. I am so excited that Choc Zero came out with this chocolate hazelnut spread. It is keto approved, there's 0 added sugar to it, and it's sweetened with monk fruit. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of Choc Zero's chocolate hazelnut spread on top of one of these cookies. Then take the other cookie and place it on top. Seal around the edges as best you can, and then pop it in the refrigerator to chill for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for around 6 minutes. This produces the gooeyest chocolatey center inside. I highly recommend you guys try this. Make sure you tag us, Choc Zero, with all of your photos of your ooey gooey hazelnut chocolate filled chocolate chip cookie.